welcome back to my channel. So today we went house hunting. So we are far away in town hunting for a house. I decided to vlog the house hunting, it's good to keep memories. So yeah, this is the house, this is the compound of the house. It's a really big compound and it's comfortable as well. In as much as there are bushes over there, I think it's also very secure because right here they have a security house there, directing the security house. So I'm sure that everything is going to be okay. I'm so excited to see what this house looks like because the exterior looks perfect, it looks wonderful, matured and conducive for living. So I just want to see the inside. I came with my sister and my big aunt. We're all here together. So yeah, if you like this sort of videos, please give us one a huge thumbs up and make sure you comment below. And yeah, let's go into the rooms, okay? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't mind my face. I'm barefaced today because no one got time to slay, okay? Hope you enjoy. Okay. She's addicted to TikTok, guys. So I think she's lost it. She's hoping to find love on TikTok. Wow, you're going to see yourself on my YouTube. Yeah.
Who's next?
Who's next? Who's next? Shake it, shake it, shake what you got, shake what your mama gave you. Yes, yes, shake it, shake what you got, shake what your mama gave you.
All right.
And I think there's a table here like a bench, so we really don't have an access to it. I think I like. Oh, is this a 2-bedroom? Okay, nice. Please don't mind, you're still clearing the whole place. It's ready for rent, true, but you're still clearing the whole place. This place is really very not conducive. Dust and all of that. Wow, wow. This is a big kitchen. Damn, this is good, guys. I think that when they're done with everything, they will just fix in kitchen cabinets and all that. And nice. So here should be the the lounge area, like the sitting room area, and please don't mind. And this little corner, you can use it as the dining area, the dining section, I guess. This is nice, for real. This parlor is really big. Oh, this is nice. This is like the lobby. This is the lobby. This is the lobby, I guess. This is nice. Damn, guys, I like it. So, wow, okay. Here you have the first room. Wow, this first room is okay. It's still very empty, like I said. They are fixing up things. So this is the first room. But we intend to get the one upstairs anyway. I don't really like down houses. I don't know. Just my preference. So here is the restroom, the washroom. Here's the sink, and the water closet and whatever. Going to the second room. Whoa, I really like the second room. I think the light hits special here. Yeah, so that corner, this is nice. You can actually get this to be your closet, and this corner, your bed, and maybe television, your shoe rack, and all that. This place is good. It has sockets on various angles. I like that. And there's a switch. No lights yet, but I'm sure when everything is set. So yeah, so here is the second restroom. Like I said, we don't really do much. Here you have the sink and the toilets facilities. This is good, guys. Just shut here and go out. There's also another switch here, just to turn off the lights. Please pardon if this camera is quite shaky because I'm like, here is locked, but I think it's an exit. It's an exit door, I guess. It's an exit door, so that is okay. The kitchen also has an exit door, so in total we have about 3 balconies in this house. I think the rooms are okay. They are sizable. Wow, this is good, guys. This is good. So I'm stepping out. Let me just go and have a tour of what the other ones upstairs look like. Not to mention that there is also a guest toilet just right before you step into the living room area. So this is the guest. This is the guest toilet. I'm coming, auntie. So this is the guest toilet. It also has a sink. It's really, really small. Like a big man can't really fit here, but it's all good. I think it's okay. At least it's fair for your guests to get somewhere to, excuse themselves. It's nice, but I really think that it should have been built inside. But whatsoever, we're good. Okay. So even if you don't want your guests getting into your house, like you guys are lounging outside, you can always use the restroom right there. So it's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and see what the 1-bedroom flats look like. Like I said, here is still under a little bit finishing touches. So pardon the cement, the concrete, the dust, and anything you see here, because it's still going through some finishing touches. So it's a 1-story building. It's nice, I think. Everything looks really polished, I guess. So here is the 1-bedroom flat. That's the walk-in corner. I don't know. Let's just find out what this means. Okay, this is the first door we see here. I'm exhausted. Nice. Okay, this is the living room area, I guess. This is the living room area. This is the living room area, and we have 2 doors here. 2 doors. So we're just going to find out what those doors contain, like what is in there. So this is the first door. Okay, I really think this is a bedroom. I really think it's a bedroom. So when you walk in, you see the door, the switch, another switch there, like some sockets, 2 sockets there, and a window. And the restroom, of course, there's nothing much here, just the restroom. Okay, this one is pretty sizable. I like it. Sorry for the light is poor. So that's just there. I need to find out what is in the second door. Okay, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is good, but it's very small compared to the 2 bedrooms we saw. There's a kitchen. I think it needs some finishing touches as well. And here is the balcony. So I really want to believe that this balcony is shared by 2 flatmates, I think. So that's the balcony, another exit door, so you can choose to come in from your right or from your left. And we just have this lounge area around here where you can keep your jerry cans of water, some things you don't really have space to keep inside the room, even your generator for sure. So yeah, here is downstairs, and that's the forest. The teak forest. It looks really good. I like it, just so guys, I think that's pretty much what is in here. Well, we are going, so we'll just find out what we're going to do, if we're going to take the 2-bedroom or the 1-bedroom. But I think the place is pretty comfortable. But my only con is about the 1-bedroom. The 1-bedroom room looks just like a closet. It's really small. I don't know. It's very small. Thank you. Okay, guys, if you love this sort of videos, please give it a huge thumbs up. Comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're looking for. Please subscribe to my channel. And we're heading back to town. See you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.